So teachers, what you have to do to use this, to download this question paper generator, first of all, you simply find the question paper generator to link. So simply you have to select it, select this particular, right click copy. After copying, go to the new tab and here you paste and go to the link. So you will get this file qpg.rar. Okay, so here's the question paper generator software. So here is the download icon, this one. Just simply click on this download icon. So it takes time. So now you see it is downloaded, this file. When it is downloaded, then you will see this rar file, rar file. Just go to here, folder option. So this software is in the compressed format in this way. So what you have to do, just right click and there is an option called WinRAR. If this WinRAR software is not there in your computer, so I have also given you this link. Okay, so this is the, just 1 minute, this WinRAR software is also there. So simply you have to copy and then paste this for the WinRAR software. So it will also be downloaded. So first you have to run this installation. Okay, this software is required to open this question paper generator software. So once it is downloaded, simply you have to click on it. Then you will get the software to install. Just click on yes and this software will be activated. Simple, you have to click on the install option. I have already there, that's why I'm not installing again. Okay, you just simply click on install, it will install. Then after, what you will, in your this simple file, that is question paper generator, right click, there is an option called WinRAR and this option extract to QPG. So it will be extracted and you will get this folder. In this folder, double click on it. Again this folder, double click on it. So this is a setup. You have to click on this setup. So this software will give you all the steps to install it. Basically you don't have to nothing do to special. Simple, the software will be there. Just go to next. Simple, you have to, already I have installed, that's why it is coming modified. But in your case, simple, go to the next and then finish. Okay, I'm not installing it again. Then what happened, what you have to do, there is one this fix file. This file you have to copy this file. Just right click and copy this file. And what you have to do next, on your software, this software, right click the software and there is option called open file location. Then here right click and paste the file. Okay, simply you have to click on the paste file, replace the file in the destination, click on it, then your software will be activated. Okay, and then you can simply start the software and the software will run. Okay, so this is a complete tutorial.